Start. Başla da.
Hi guys, today...
İyi durun çözdürsene. Okay.
Starttan sonra başlayalım.
Okay, başlayabilirsin şimdi.
Hi guys, today we're gonna go through some SAT math problems which will help you to determine your preparation level. Hopefully this video will be in multiple parts, so if you like the first part, we will film the others, in which we will face with more difficult, let's say, problems. If you have some difficulties with more than, let's say, 3 problems, then you should start from pre-SAT preparation level. But if you will be successful with most of them, then you should start with SAT preparation. So let's get into the first problem. It says, if 2 in power x plus 2 in power x plus 2 in power x plus 2 in power x gives us 2 in power 16, what is the value of x? So, the students of the higher grades should think that there will appear some logarithms, etc., etc. But no, let's get into it. We know that the power functions don't like the operation of summing. So we have to somehow bring it to the multiplication. How will we do it? We see that there are 4 same, let's say, variables. So we write 4 times 2 in power x equals 2 in power 16. Okay. Then, what's 4? 4 is 2 in power 2. 2 in power 2 multiplied by 2 in power x gives us 2 in power 16. And we know the rule that if a in power m multiplied by a in power m equals a in power m plus m. We'll use this rule in here and we write 2 in power 2 plus x equals 2 in power 16. We forget about those parts. Let's say we take a logarithm from here, but I like just to write like this. 2 plus x equals 16. What's x? Simply simplify this. 16 minus 2, x is equal 14. So, like I said, it looked difficult from the first side, but as you get into the problem, it's just easy problem for 9th, 8th grade. If you have questions about that, write it in comments below, and we go to our next problem. So we came to our second problem, which is easy as well. Before I explain, you can pause the video and think of it yourself and see if your answer comes together with mine. So it says, the length of 2 sides of a triangle are 4 and 9. What's the greatest possible integer length of the third side? This is a simple problem. It's one of the first lessons when we go into the geometry and the triangle itself. So, here we will use one main rule about triangles. The third side of the triangle should be less than the sum of previous 2. So our sides are 4 plus 9, and let's say that side is x, we don't know this. So x should be less than 4 plus 9, and x is less than 13. We see that x is less than 13, and it asks us what is the greatest possible length, the greatest possible integer. So it will be like, from this inequality, x can be 12, 12.1, 12.9, etc. But it says the integer, so we only take 12. So the x, the greatest value of x, will be 12. So the greatest integer number, which is less than 13, which is the sum of our previous 2 sides, is 12.